Okay, everyone. So today I'll show you how to modeling fibers or power cable. So first we'll go to top menu, create and polygon primitives. And we'll start with a cylinder. By default, the size of this cylinder is 2 units. Okay, so we'll go to face selection mode and we'll delete all the faces on the bottom and we only want this top face. So with object mode, we'll go to modify and center pivot, and then hold on X key, and you'll be able to snap it onto the grid. Then we'll hit Command D. If you're using Mac computer, you'll hit Command D. If you're using Windows, and then use Control D to make a duplication. So I use Command D and then hold on X again and snap it to another location. Command D again, hold on X, snap it. Command D and hold on X and snap it. Okay, so here we get 4 circles. So now we'll decide how we would like the wires to go. So basically we'll create a curve and let these 4 faces to follow that curve. Okay, so I will enter the 4 different view and then enter either the front view or side view. Okay, so maybe the front view. And then we will go to create and curve tool, and you can do either CV or EP. Okay, so let's do CV, and we'll start from the center of the world, and by click and create points, you will create a curve. So it totally depends how you want your power cable to go, and then you create a curve. Alright, so I'll just create a very rough curve and hit return key, and then space key to go back to perspective view. Alright, so now I'll select all of these 4 circles, and then go to mesh and combine. I would like to combine them to one piece. And then right click and go to face selection mode and select all faces. And then hold on shift and select this curve you just draw. And then go to tool menu, edit mesh, and apply extrude. So basically you will extrude these 4 circles along with this curve. But now since you only have one subdivision, so it just goes straight. So what you'll do is at this pop-up box, you'll add divisions. So as you add division, which is subdivision, you'll bring more details to it. So have as much detail as you can to have a smoother wire, to have a smoother cable. So here I will put about maybe 100. And as you can see, I put 100 is super smooth. And then, as you know, for power cable, it won't go straight, right? So it'll always kind of twist along the way. So here we want to display the twist channel. So just click on this button, and then check on twist, and then the twist is here. As you can see, as I add value on twist, right, it start to kind of twist, but we may need a bigger value. But now 180 degree doesn't show pretty much how you twist. So I will put a number is really big. I will put 1000 and see how it looks. Okay, so here's the 1000. So maybe I can do more, do 2000. Alright, I kind of like how it looks. And then go back to object mode and select this model you just created, and then go delete by type, delete history. If you don't do that, what can happen is, see if I go to Windows and Outliner, and if I select this curve, and see when I move this curve, I kind of changed the position of the power cable I just created. If I go to control vertex of that curve, And then by changing the position of the curve, I can change in the location of the power cable of the model. Okay, so it's really powerful. So these can be the final twist of your power cable. Okay, but be really careful because at this step, after you already extrude and twist your power cable, and then if you change the position of a particular part of it, and then you may twist the model of this power cable. Okay, so if you really want to reposition it, I would recommend after you create a curve, you kind of enter its vertex, control vertex, and change the pose of that curve, and then extrude it. All right, so just go back. Okay, so as I said, after you extrude and twist this power cable, select this model and go to edit and delay by type, delay history. And then if you have this curve and you move it and you change its shape, it doesn't affect this model you created. All right, so this is pretty much of everything, and I hope you like it.